Welcome to BOLG, your go-to platform for all things biotech. We're excited to introduce our Progressive Web App, or PWA, designed to make your BOLG experience faster, easier, and more convenient, without taking up much space on your device. Whether you're a biotech freelancer, a client looking for experts, or a company promoting your products, downloading our PWA is a breeze. There's no need to go to the App Store. Just visit bolg.co directly from your mobile browser, and you'll get the option to install the app on your home screen. Key benefit 1. Super low storage size. Unlike traditional apps, our PWA takes up almost no storage space on your phone. You get the full functionality of BOLG without worrying about your device running out of storage. No large downloads and no unnecessary updates. Key benefit 2. Lightning fast performance. Once you've installed our PWA, it loads and runs super fast. Whether you're searching for biotech experts, managing projects, or checking messages, everything is optimized for speed. The app is designed to work even in low network conditions, so you can stay connected wherever you are. Key benefit 3. Easy to use, just like a native app. Our PWA functions just like a native app, so you'll have a smooth experience navigating BOLG with all the same features you love. From managing profiles to finding biotech jobs or browsing the latest biotech projects, everything is at your fingertips. Stay updated and manage your work effortlessly. Whether you're a freelancer keeping track of projects or a client searching for biotech experts, the PWA makes it easy to stay updated. You can receive notifications, manage tasks, and stay in touch with your contacts seamlessly. So what are you waiting for? Head to bolg.co from your mobile browser and download our PWA today. Get all the benefits of BOLG with none of the hassle, fast, lightweight, and ready to use.